Have you ever wondered what it would be like if machines could create art and music? In this era of rapid technological advancement, the idea isn't as far-fetched as it might seem. Enter the world of generative AI, a fascinating realm where artificial intelligence isn't just about crunching numbers or predicting patterns. It's about creating, innovating, and even, you might say, dreaming. Imagine a symphony composed by a machine, a painting crafted pixel by an algorithm. This isn't just the realm of science fiction anymore. Generative AI is empowering machines to transcend the boundaries of their programming, to create unique works of art and music that push the limits of human creativity. The potential is vast, the implications profound. So are you ready to witness the fusion of art, music, and artificial intelligence like never before? Stay tuned as we unveil the steps to create art with generative AI and music. First, let's understand what generative AI is. In the simplest terms, generative AI is a subset of artificial intelligence that uses machine learning to produce new content. It's akin to giving a paintbrush to a robot and then marveling as it creates an original masterpiece, or handing a violin to a computer and listening as it composes a symphony. But instead of paintbrushes and violins, generative AI uses algorithms and data. Now you might be thinking, how does it do that? Well, it's all about learning patterns. Generative AI is fed a large amount of data, such as thousands of paintings or music compositions, and it learns the patterns and structures within this data. From the colors and shapes in a painting to the notes and rhythms in a piece of music, the AI absorbs all these elements. Once it understands the patterns, it can generate new, original content in the same style. The applications of generative AI are vast and expanding. In the fashion industry, for example, it's being used to design new clothes, predicting trends before they even happen. In the automotive sector, generative AI is being used to design new car models, optimizing for aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Even in healthcare, it's being utilized to create new drug compounds, potentially speeding up the discovery of life-saving medicines. But it doesn't stop there. Generative AI is also making waves in the creative arts. Artists and musicians are using it to create new works of art and compose original music. It's even being employed in the world of gaming, where it's used to design intricate, immersive worlds that players can explore. Think about it. With generative AI, we're not just programming machines to do tasks, we're teaching them to be creative. We're inspiring them to make something new, something original. It's a fascinating concept, and it's changing the way we think about AI and creativity. Now that we've got a grasp on generative AI, we're ready to dive into the process of creating art and music with it. Creating art with generative AI is a fascinating process. Let's delve into this enchanting journey of artistry and technology, where the canvas is your computer screen and the brush, a complex algorithm. The first step in our journey is training the AI. This is where the system learns about art and its nuances. The AI is fed a large database of existing artworks. This can range from classical paintings to modern art, from Van Gogh's Starry Night to Banksy's street art. The more diverse the database, the broader the AI's understanding of art becomes. But how does the AI learn? It uses a type of machine learning called a neural network. This network is designed to mimic the way our human brain works, with multiple layers of artificial neurons processing information. The AI analyzes each piece of art, recognizing patterns, styles, and techniques. It learns about color schemes, compositions, and even the emotion that different artworks can evoke. Once the AI is trained, we move on to the second stage, generation. This is where the magic happens. The AI, now an apprentice of thousands of artists, starts creating its own unique pieces. It uses what it has learned to generate art that is entirely new, yet echoes the styles and techniques it has studied. What's remarkable about this process is the unpredictability. Each piece of art the AI creates is a surprise. Sometimes it generates works that are eerily similar to human-made art. Other times it creates something so abstract and unique that it pushes the boundaries of what we traditionally define as art. But this isn't just a one-way process. The AI learns from each piece it creates, improving and refining its technique with every brushstroke. It's a continuous cycle of learning and creating, a digital dance that blurs the line between artist and machine. That's how you create art with generative AI. But what about music? Let's find out. Creating music with generative AI follows a similar process. Let's embark on this fascinating journey, shall we? The first step in creating music with generative AI is the training phase. Here, the AI is fed thousands of pieces of music, spanning across different genres, eras, and styles. This could be anything from classical compositions by Mozart to the latest pop hits. The AI listens to these tracks, analyzing the patterns, structures, and rhythms that define each piece. It's a bit like learning a new language. The AI is immersing itself in the language of music. Once the AI has a firm grasp of this language, it moves on to the next stage, the generation process. This is where the magic happens. Using the musical knowledge it has acquired, the AI begins to compose its own pieces. It's not just replicating the songs it's heard, but creating something entirely new and unique. It's like a skilled linguist who, after learning a new language, can start writing their own poems or stories. During this process, the AI might produce a piece that's a blend of classical and rock, or it might create a piece that's entirely new, something that doesn't fit into any existing genre. The results can be truly unpredictable and exciting. The beauty of generative AI music is that it's never static. The AI continues to learn and evolve with every piece it creates. It's a continuous cycle of learning and creating, much like a human artist who grows and develops over time. Of course, creating music with AI doesn't mean the end of human musicians. Rather, it's a new tool in the composer's toolbox, a way to push the boundaries of what's possible in music. It's a collaboration between human creativity and machine learning, each bringing their unique strengths to the table. And that's how you create music with generative AI. The possibilities are truly endless. It's a brave new world of music creation, and we're just scratching the surface. Who knows what incredible compositions await us in the future? We've just scratched the surface of what's possible with generative AI. What an incredible journey we've embarked on today, diving into the fascinating world of generative AI and its applications in art and music. We've seen how generative AI can be a powerful tool, transforming the way we create and experience art. We've delved into the process of creating unique masterpieces using AI algorithms that can learn, adapt, and generate breathtaking visuals. In the realm of music, we've explored how AI can compose captivating melodies, harmonies, and rhythms that resonate with our emotions. The potential of generative AI is boundless, and we can only imagine what the future holds for us in this artistic exploration. As we continue to push the boundaries, who knows? We might even find ourselves in a future where AI-curated art galleries and AI-composed symphonies become the norm. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about generative AI and music, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible world of AI.